guys, this is John of Arc. Holger showed you the mojito. It's the first time that I did that, and I used a talaksan. So this is a measuring shot glass. In Ilonggo, when we drink, especially alcohol, we use a modern day slang word which is Shat. Shat. It's spelled S-H-A-T, but it comes from the English word shot. And then the Ilonggos now call it Shat. So let's Shat. So Shat is actually a one shot glass. Doesn't have to be precise because here it says here, if you drink this much, you're called, well, it's Tagalog, it's called duwag. In bars or even in the sidewalks, just the side of the road, because Pinoys drink everywhere, anywhere, even in bars. So when you invite someone for a drink, well, in English-speaking countries, they say, "Can I buy you a drink?" But in Ilonggos, you just say, "Shatta, shat." Or if it's a guy inviting another guy, pre, shatta. So they call each other pre, short for pare, pre, shatta. And for the girls, you just say, "Shat."
And what if a guy wants to shout a drink to a woman?
Libreta ka, shatta. It's more informal. So, libreta ka, I don't know. Inomta? Inomta? Usually when the girls drink, they're broke. Usually when the girls drink, they're either broken-hearted or on party mode. So you can just say inomta or shatta. Te, shat na ta? Shat.